This new Gen flat disk labeling and packing machine is a fully automated powerhouse. It does it all: labels, wraps, even cuts those trademark film pieces. With this machine, you've got automatic feeding, testing, labeling, and loading of the finished products. The flat disk labeling machine features a 6-station rotary mechanism that ensures stable station switching, precise positioning, and high efficiency, producing 1,000 to 1,500 pieces per hour. The flat disk packing machine boasts an 8-station rotary system, processing 1,200 to 1,800 packs per hour.
For products sized between 75 mm to 125 mm in diameter. When these two machines collaborate, they create the flat disk labeling and packing machine, seamlessly combining adhesive label application, plastic sealing packaging, and transferring packaged items onto a designated conveyor.
This combined operation yields an efficiency of 360 to 600 packs per hour.